AI is not coming for construction. It's coming for construction superintendents who refuse to use it. Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend flipping through plans, making sure you caught everything, writing daily reports, answering the same email over and over and over again? Hours, right? Hours a day wasted right there. So here's the problem. While you're doing that manually, there's other superintendents out there that are using AI to do all this quicker, and the big thing is better than you are right now. Let's start with an easy win, daily reports. Let's be honest, most of us wait till the end of the day and we rush right through these daily reports trying to pack everything that we remember that happened throughout the day, and we get a sloppy, sometimes unorganized mess and we turn it in, right? So this is where AI kind of changes the game. No more guessing, no more guesswork in this. It takes it out of it for us. As we're going along, we update our AI through our phone. And at the end of the day, it can give us manpower, weather reports, delays, progress reports. You get a clean, detailed report in seconds versus hours sitting there trying to remember everything. And here is the best part. This makes us look 10 times better to those owners during those OAC meetings. Let's talk about costs. This one can save you thousands. How many times have you had to pay up because you missed a detail on a sheet, you found it too late, or fight with another sub over splitting the costs of it, right? AI can review your drawings, your specs, your notes, all of it, and help catch inconsistencies before they happen in real time. And I personally have seen this happen and saved us thousands of dollars. That's not hype, that's real. That's real progress with AI. Communication is where most jobs break down. Everybody has a story where it was lack of communication, and that's where I always go to when I have problems on the job site is communication. Where did we lose communication, right? So emails, RFIs, updates, it's constant. It never stops. But what AI can do for you is AI can write you these emails. AI can clean it up so your tone sounds sharp, not stressed, not rushed. It can summarize these long threads instantly that you have. And instead of spending 30 minutes typing all this up, you spend 2. And if you think that doesn't matter, that's 28 minutes you could have spent on the job site figuring out problems. Or that's 28 minutes you could have been gone after everybody has already left. All those things are valuable that we've just spoke of, but here's where it gets really powerful. AI can help you think through sequencing. It can identify risks before they happen. It can help you brainstorm ideas when things do go wrong on the job site. It's kind of like having an experienced superintendent in your pocket, or them sending your assistant from the office that actually has the experience he says he does. So here's the truth that nobody wants to hear. The guys who are going to learn AI now are going to be the guys that dominate in the future. The industry is going to change in the next 3 to 5 years, and the ones who don't get with AI, they're going to get passed up, not because they're bad at what they do, but because they're slower. AI is going to make us so much faster at what we do as superintendents. So if you're a superintendent and you want to stay ahead, start using AI today. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to know all this jargon about this, that, or the other. You just need to be willing to learn. And you need to follow this channel, Build Smart with me, Will Martin, and we will break down exactly how to use AI step by step to make you faster and better at your job.